Welcome to the 4th annual Meemic Masterpieces Art Open House. I am Pam Harlan, the director of the Meemic Foundation, and I'm so glad to have you here with us. So every year, we have reached out to schools across the 4 states that we're in to encourage students to submit artwork. We really were looking for what's the best way that we could get beautiful artwork on our walls. And we thought about a student art contest.
When I walked in, I thought it was really cool to see everyone's art, and then I saw my art, and I thought it was really cool.
So I was very excited. I immediately messaged as many people as I could, you know that thing I did? Well, I won.
And so that's what we did. And so each year we have selected 50 winners from all the various wonderful entries that we have received. And those 50 winners each year are hung on our walls. So with this year, we will end up with 200 pieces of student artwork just shining through the hallways here at Meemic. And we're so excited to have the students here today, as well as their parents, family, and friends, as well as their teachers, just to see what the final artwork looks like. So we are especially encouraged that we have the artwork from these student artists and that we're giving them a platform to showcase their creativity. And so by having the students come here today, number one, they can see their artwork beautifully framed with their name, their school, and the grade. But as well, they see the appreciation that others have of their work. And hopefully they'll feel the love from Meemic and the love from all of their teachers and family and friends of the hard work that they put in to exhibit the artwork that we have here today. We are so appreciative of all the artwork that we received. I mean, think about it, over 1,500 pieces of art that came here to Meemic for us to look at. They're all Meemic masterpieces to us. So thank you to those students that did submit artwork, and please, we will have another contest. We do this every year, and our goal is to fill every single wall here at Meemic with student artwork. And again, thanks to all the student artists. Thank you all for your wonderful work. And of course, educators, thank you for all you do for education. Meemic's here to support you 100%.